You just picked split peas. So we soaking these split peas
But
overnight.
it's relative. I didn't say it was fry. I said soak. So when you soak it, it's dal.
I do appreciate this double standard. To the lovers of food everywhere, this is How to Foodie Nation. And today is all about fried split peas. So let's get frying. So the big question is split peas, but what do we really know it as?
Dal.
So split peas or dal? Do you say fried dal? Do you say fried split peas?
I think it depends on how it sounds.
Okay, so for the purpose of this recipe, we're going with fried split peas.
Yes.
But our folks at home, you know, it's fried dal, right? Another snack food.
That didn't sound right.
It does sound right with the fried dal.
No.
No. We're taking it back. Okay, so we're going for sure with the fried split peas.
Yes.
Fried split peas.
Fried split
Fine.
peas.
Start me off, my friend.
Very simple. Soak the dal overnight.
Okay.
Split peas. Soak the split peas overnight.
You just picked split peas. So we soaking these split peas
But
overnight.
it's relative. I didn't say it was fry. I said soak. So when you soak it, it's dal.
I do appreciate this double standard. So we soaking overnight.
Yes.
We
Soak
start
overnight
off with
yes.
this kind of small.
Dark yellow and small, and then it comes kind of lighter and bigger.
Okay.
Right? Key and very important, because we're frying this, you want to make sure that you drain and dry all the water
Right.
out of the peas, because
Okay.
you know oil and water don't mix. Right? And we have seasoning, so we're doing a little bit of Chadon Beni, Banbania.
Right.
Right? We have a little Scotch bonnet, fresh, garlic, salt, pepper. So it's
Okay.
a very simple recipe.
Okay.
And of course we have hot oil.
I mean, we need something to fry, so I
Yes.
guess we need the hot oil.
Good. So, and it's basic. The rule is when you put it in, and I always say fry in batches.
Okay.
Because you want to season as you go. You want to put as much salt and as much pepper as you like as
Right.
you go.
Right.
And when it floats to the top, you take it out. That's it.
And that's it?
Very simple.
Okay.
Right? So we
Miss
can start
Thang.
frying.
No problem.
All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fry.
Right.
And you are going to season.
Aha.
Right? So start with a little bit of everything at the bottom of this bowl and stir it up.
Okay, no problem. So we start with a little salt.
Yes, and I will start frying.
A little black pepper. Or maybe a lot. Hello.
Hazard.
Hello. Did you come to burn down my house?
A little too much oil, maybe, and a little too much heat. We'll make it, don't worry.
Arlene, you're a disaster in the kitchen today. with your fried split peas.
With my fried split peas. All right, so let that be a lesson. Don't fill the pot too much, right?
Don't forget that, guys. Safety at home, for sure, for sure.
Yes.
All right, so when I have all my seasonings, I just mix up.
Yeah?
Just mix up.
Just mix up. Another tip is that once you get this out of the oil, just give it a light resting on some paper towel for the excess, and you want to get it warm so that it activates all the flavors in here and absorbs all the good seasoning, right?
And split peas cooks relatively quickly.
Very quickly. We done here already.
Well, start to scoop, start to scoop.
We scoop in. Right.
It's definitely important, guys, to get yourself a serrated spoon. A
Yes.
spoon with some holes, so that you could get this done a little quickly. Get rid of some of that oil one time.
Right. So I'm going to pass this to you while I get the rest out, so you can pour this in and start mixing.
A little at a time.
Yes.
And we go in.
And we go in.
So we're gonna keep doing this whole batch and then come back to taste.
So I will fry, you will season, and then we snack in.
All right, sounds good.
Great.
No, but Arlene, this looking like the real thing, you know.
Yeah.
Proper so close. So you in and sell.
No.
This is just for us.
Just for us. Just for when I'm having a little get together, a little lime, I'll hook up some of this.
Well, this is a two-man get-together, just me and you. So we must taste the product. I mean, look at the golden color. Now, I really want to take a whole handful. I
Grab
really
on the
do.
outside.
I'll take a little thing,
Alright.
a little thing, a little thing, a little thing. You know. And there, oh gosh, you're throwing with the thing. And there we have our garlic. We have our Chadon Beni. We have all that good salt and black pepper, and all the flavors melded together so well because it was hot.
Well, you are responsible for the seasoning.
I mean, come on. I did the best job on the seasoning. I love that crunch. It's perfect. Good job, my friend. Guys, of course, if you try this recipe, you know you have to tell us, right? All we need is a little bottle and we can head down the road with us.
Yeah.
I feel so. Thanks so much for supporting us, guys. Your How To Foodie fam. And if you want to keep supporting, please check that link to purchase teas like mine and all other Foodie Nation merchandise. So until next time, bye-bye.